Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A. Here you can see this is our Redmi 5A Raiva. This is the OnePlus ROM Oxygen OS. Here you can see this is a Snapdragon 425 2GB RAM 16GB ROM. Never settle. As you can see, OnePlus 5 botted ROM for Redmi 5A. This is simple installation. The installation is very easy. Just you have to install the ROM like other custom ROMs. Only one file is needed to install. First you have to wipe, then you have to format, then click on wipe. All, but the installation video will be in the description. You can check the description. Just you have to replace the file with this file that will be in the description. Download link, developer name, Android version. You will get Android version 9 in this ROM. As you can see, Pi. Here is the 5 March security patch. This is the latest OnePlus ROM which is available for Redmi 5A ported till now. Let's check all the features and the bugs of this ROM. First, let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Wi-Fi. As you can see, it is already connected, so there is no problem. Let's check the hotspot also. Hotspot is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the hotspot. You can easily share the hotspot without any problem. And let's check the Bluetooth. There is a bug in the Bluetooth. If you connect your device, as you can see, I have connected my device, it will disconnect automatically within 2 seconds. As you can see, it will connect for 1 second, then it will automatically disconnect. So there is bug in the Bluetooth. I have flashed the fix also, but the fix does not work in this ROM, so Bluetooth does not work. And let's say the display. Here is the display. Adaptive brightness is working perfectly. There is no problem in the adaptive brightness. Night mode is not working. As you can see, turn on night mode, it does not work. Night mode is not working. I have already tested, so don't worry. I will tell each and every specification and the features and the bugs of this ROM. And the turn on reading mode is also not working in this ROM. Night mode, reading mode, and the Bluetooth bug. Here are the 3 bugs. Screen calibration. Here is the screen calibration. You will not see any change. Ambient display. Here is the ambient display. Lift up display is working perfectly. There is no problem if the sensor works in your device. Wallpaper is available. Here you can see there is only one wallpaper as it is default. Asian color, you can change the Asian color, it works perfectly. There is no problem in changing the theme of the Asian color. Blink light is working perfectly. There is no problem in the light. And the Jio and the BSNL dual SIM is working perfectly, and the Bolt is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the Bolt. You can receive the call without any problem. LED notification light. Font, here you can see you can switch the font without any problem. Only 2 fonts are available. Display size, you can also increase or decrease. Status bar, battery percentage is available. Display speed is also available. Battery while circle or hidden is also available. Icon manager, if the Bolt is not working, you can turn on the icon from here. Let's check the sound. Here is the sound. Sound is working perfectly. There is no problem in the sound. As you can see, sound is not loud, but it is okay. Earphone mode is also available in this mode. Vibration is working perfectly, and the navigation vibration is also working. Hardware buttons vibration, but the touch intensity is very low, as I have already done to the strong, but it is very low. Vibration intensity does not work, and tap sound is also working perfectly. Alert slider is not working as there is no slider. Buttons, here is the only navigation bar is also available. Swap buttons is also available. As you can see, you can swap the navigation bar. You can customize the home button, recent button according to your use. Quick gestures, the few quick gestures, 3 finger screenshot is working perfectly. There is no problem, as you can see. And the flip to mute is working perfectly. Again, if the sensor works, all the features will work. Double tap to wake is working perfectly. There is no problem. Let's check the double tap to wake. Here you can see. Here is the password. Draw VS will not work. Battery performance of this ROM is good. Not very much battery drain. Battery is good. You can optimize the applications also. View detailed battery. Let's check the detailed battery. You will not get the battery backup in this ROM if you play the games, but I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. We will also check the gaming, so don't worry. Screen on time is 1 hour 17 minutes. Let's check the lock screen if the face unlock work or not. Face unlock, let's check. Here you can see face unlock is not working in this device. I already tested, so don't worry, fully tested this ROM. And account, Google account, you can easily log in without any problem. OnePlus account, Utilities here, the gaming mode is also available. You can choose it according to your use. Parallel apps is also available. यहाँ पे app locker is working perfectly, there is no problem. Here are the few applications. As you can see, Magis is already installed in this ROM, but your device is not rooted. We will check in the my specification of the device, so don't worry. And let's check the language also. Here you can see these are the languages available. Add language. Let's wait. Here you can see Hindi is also available in this ROM. Many of the languages are available in this ROM. Let's check the features of this ROM. Let's check the Antutu budget, but let's check what is the score of the Antutu benchmark. How is the gaming performance? 58,914. GPU 625. As here you can see, here is the CPU full performance. Memory performance 22233. 10,000 UX. 10,862.5 increase in the temperature. Your device will heat when you use this ROM. As you can see, device is little bit hot. Let's say the Geo application, whether it works or not. Geo application, as here you can see, rooted device is detected, so Geo application you will not able to use the Geo application and the other banking applications also. Let's check the safety net, whether it is pass or not. Run test. Let's wait for few seconds. As here you can see, safety net is failed, success, fail. So 1 plus A5010 safety net is failed. This ROM is not stable, so don't install this ROM. Android Pie root SS is available. As here you can see, I have not rooted my device, it is pre-rooted. Kernel, here you can see all the detailed information. Root SS, yes. Magis Manager is installed. As you can uninstall the root also. YouTube is working fine, there is no problem in YouTube. You can use the YouTube also, it works perfectly. I have already tested, so don't worry. So these are the applications. Let's check the camera, whether the camera works or not in this ROM. Here you can see camera is working perfectly, there is no problem in camera. You can easily use the camera without any problem. You can easily click the photos or videos, play the videos. As you can see, it works perfectly, there is no problem. Requires additional setup. Your device need additional setup for the Magis to work properly. To download the Magis setup zip. As you can see, zip is not installed right now, so I have to, so for proper root as you have to flash the Magis zip file. So let's check the gaming performance. Now let's check the gaming performance. Graphics is high. As here you can see, there is lag in our device. In this ROM, OnePlus ROM, you will feel the lag. There is many. As here you can see, game performance is very poor in this ROM. You will not be able to play the game very smoothly. Even after the few minutes, you will know the lag is same. As you can see, even after the few minutes, the lag is almost same. There is no change in the gaming performance even after playing it for a lot of time. For gaming, you should not install this ROM, as the performance is very poor, as you can see. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.